Here's 4 key tips to get your bond back quickly. Tip number 1, read and understand your entry condition report. The entry condition report's the number 1 document that outlines the condition of the property when you moved in, and you must return the property to the same condition with the exclusion of fair wear and tear. Our second tip is to document everything. When you move into the property, conduct a thorough walkthrough of the property, take photos or videos and document them on the entry condition report, because in Queensland you've got 7 days to sign and return this. Now, if any damage occurs during your lease, report it quickly to the landlord or the property manager. The next tip is to engage a professional cleaner. At the end of the lease, you need to clean the property, and rather than tackling it yourself, sometimes considering a professional is a better option. If possible, use the cleaning company preferred or recommended by your agency. They know the level of cleanliness and detail, and they're more likely to do a job that meets the property manager's standards. Finally, tip number 4 is to engage a handyman. If during the lease any damage has occurred that you're responsible for, it's best to repair these before you vacate. Consider getting a handyman to fix up these damages. Not only does it show that you respect the property, but it prevents these costs being deducted from your bond.